Mia Parker had heard it her entire life. Whenever she squinted at the television, whenever she sat too close to a book, whenever she complained that she couldn't see something clearly, the answer was always the same. Eat your carrots. Her parents said it, her teachers said it, even her grandmother swore by it. According to everyone around her, carrots had a special power. A power that could improve eyesight. A power that could help her see better. But Mia had one question nobody seemed able to answer. Was it actually true? The next day, Mia decided to test the famous advice. She started eating carrots every day. Carrot sticks after school, carrots with dinner, even carrot juice. Weeks passed, yet something felt strange. Her eyesight didn't suddenly become superhuman. She couldn't read distant signs any better. She still needed to sit close to the classroom board. That's when she started wondering, if carrots really improve eyesight, why wasn't anything changing? And that's when she discovered a story hidden deep in history. A story involving war, secrets, and one of the biggest misinformation campaigns ever told. The year was 1940. World War II was raging across Europe. British fighter pilots were suddenly becoming incredibly successful at spotting enemy aircraft during the night. People wanted answers. How were these pilots seeing so well in the dark? The government had an explanation. They told everyone the pilots ate lots of carrots. The story spread quickly. Newspapers printed it. Families believed it. Children were encouraged to eat more carrots. But there was one problem. The carrots weren't the real reason. The government was hiding something far more important. A secret technology called radar. And the carrot story helped keep that secret hidden. So, were people completely wrong? Not exactly. Carrots contain vitamin A. Vitamin A helps keep your eyes healthy. Without enough vitamin A, serious vision problems can occur. But here's the important difference. If your eyes are already healthy, eating extra carrots won't suddenly give you super eyesight. They won't remove the need for glasses. They won't turn blurry vision into perfect vision. Carrots support healthy eyes. They don't create superhuman ones. And that's the truth behind one of history's most famous health myths. Subscribe to Medical Mysteries as we continue uncovering the truth behind the world's most fascinating health myths. See you in the next video.